So what is command button? A command button performs a task when the user clicks the button. You use a command button control to begin, interrupt or end a process. When clicked, a command button appears to be pushed in on, so is sometimes called push button. The most common event for command button is click event. So which event is most important for command button? It is click event. Next is image. What is image control? Image control let you to display a picture as a part of the data in the form. For example, you might use an image to display employees' photographs in a personal form. The image lets you crop, size, zoom a picture, that and all, but does not allow you to edit the content of the picture. So image is control is used to display the picture in the VB form. It allows stretching or resizing the image so that the whole image is visible within the available image box in the form. And the picture size mode property of the image control is used to stretch the image. To stretch the image we using picture size mode property. It is there in the properties window. All this one controls are given in the properties window. For each background, for giving caption, for changing the font color, for inserting picture, all the properties are given in the properties window. From there you have to select. So for image you have to select picture mode from the picture size mode from the properties window. Next is label control. Label is a graphical control used to display text. Because a label is a graphical control, the user cannot edit the text directly. The most common use of a label control is to identify controls that do not have a caption property such as text control, text box control. So what is the use of label? Label control in VB is used to display text and numeric data. It also used to display the output and to provide instruction and guidelines to the users. The important thing is you can't edit it. User can't edit the text directly. That is the case of label. So next is text box. Text box can be entered into the text box. Text can be entered in the text box by assigning the necessary string to the text property of the control. If the user needs to display multiple lines of text in the text box, set the multi-line property to be true. So what is the use of text box? It is a standard control for accepting input from the user. So we are typing there. So text box is the standard control for accepting input from the user as well as to display the output. It handle string. That is whatever we are typing their words, each word is considered in the case of computer as a string and each letter as a character. Each letter is one character, that is A, B, C, all these are characters. And the word we making with this character is string. So the each text is a string and numeric data we are entering using text box. But do not images or pictures. That is in the case of label. So the main difference between text box and label is that the user can edit the values in the text box in runtime, while label can be used only to display the data. So the text box is the standard control for accepting input from the user. Text property of the text box control holds the value entered in it. And we are using ampersand sign, that is string concatenation operator. Ampersand is used to combine multiple text to a single line. Which is used to combine the multiple text into a single line? String concatenation operator, that is ampersand. And val text function is used to convert text into numeric data in VB. So all these are the important points you have to remember in second lesson. First one is what is Visual Basic, what is GUI, then event procedure. Then we learned about code window, object box, procedure box, then next properties window, then background color property, that is back color property, message box, command box, then image control, then difference between the text box and label, then what is the use of caption, then which are the and another important is picture property and load property. Picture property and load picture of the image control is used to load a picture in the VB form. That also important. Then we learned about label control. Label control in VB is used to display text and numeric data. Caption is the most important property of the label control. So all these are about the second lesson.